what's trending? Minimal looks. Little lip, little eye, face framed in your foundation. Let me show you how to do it. With a minimal look, we're not saying no makeup. We're saying light, simple, beautiful. It's going to make you look like you have something on that's not going to be in your face. So let's start from the bare face that I have. Now I'm going to show you my most favorite skincare is our moisturizer. I'm going to start with the moisturizer because it just makes my face moisturized. Not going to have foundation go into the little tiny dry cracks. Oh, it smells so good. I could just sit here for like 20 minutes just breathing in. Put some on my lips. Okay, start off with that. And then we have a brand new insane product that is so cool. It's our lifting and firming face primer. Now this gives just the slightest little, you can feel it working. It's just like, feels like you have a little bit of something pulling your skin back, which is so cool. So I'm going to put it on all of the areas. Then I'm going to put my makeup, and then especially my neck, firm. Perfect. Oh, you can already start feeling it just kind of like tightening, like I just put rubber cement glue on my face or something like that. It's awesome. Okay, foundation. Now I like to do a bit of both. I like our BB cream. I use the 110. I like that it makes my face look a little bit tanner, which is fun. I'm going to use our foundation buffer brush. This thing is thebombdiggity.com. It is so soft, spreads the foundation so well. And I like the BB cream because you can still see my freckles through it. But it takes away most of the blemishes. A little bit more of that leftover on my neck. Okay. And since we're going minimal, I'm going to use it as my primer for my eyes and my lips. Easy. Okay, now we're going to use a little bit of my powder. I also like the 110. It's just beautiful, and I'm going to kind of put it in the spots where I have, like I want a highlighter. Does that make sense? Because it's a powder, it's going to kind of add a little bit more of a dimension to my face. Okay, I got my foundation on. Now we're going to do brows. I love our retractable brow pencil. This thing is my most favorite. It's got the end that has the brow color on it. And I like using the dark, because my eyebrows are a little bit darker. So there we go. It's got the awesome little tool on the end to comb those fierce stragglers that like to go the wrong way. You know the ones I'm talking about. Stinkers. Yeah, I'm just going to color in all the little spots that are missing hairs. Color a little bit more of a arch on that eyebrow. Amazing what we can do with makeup. Like, it just made a whole new eyebrow. Like, that wasn't the eyebrow before, but it's the eyebrow now. It's pretty darn cool. Okay, I still want to make sure they're even. Okay, brows are on. Yes. Okay, now we've got the foundation of the face done. We are ready to add just some minimal, beautiful touches that will make your skin and face look amazing and beautiful. Okay, I'm going to start with very light fair is the eyeshadow I'm going to use. Now, guess what? It's the only eyeshadow I'm going to use. Just one. Just a nice light white. Makes it a little pop. Doesn't look like too much. Where I'm adding the color is my eyeliner with my Sapphire. This is a very loved pencil. I'm sure you all have them. And I'm going to go a little bit thicker on it, though, because no eyeshadow, I want it to be just a little bit more thick. Okay. With that, I want to take my fingers, kind of go up on the sides, and then it lifts the end of that just a little bit, so it looks like a little tiny wing. Is that a cool little trick? Boop. Okay, now I'm going to do my lips now, and then I'll move to my mascara and the blush. Okay, we have new color sticks. They're incredible. You all have been asking for these. We have delivered. It's a color stick that you can use blush, lips, eyeshadow. These things you can take anywhere with you, use all the fun places you want your makeup. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to do it on my blush first. I'm going to do like 2 to 3 little pops of color. It's a really deep, so you don't need a ton. Okay, so you see how I just did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to take our makeup, our blush brush, and just blend it in. The nice thing about the color stick is it's a, water-based, and it just can slide and glide so well. It's not a powder, so it's really going to stick to that primer I put on and just be there all day. Okay. Look, 3 little dots, and it looks like, wow, that's a lot of blush. It's incredible. Okay. Now it's on there and all nice and cute. Guess what? I'm going to use it again for my lips. Couple of dots. Just light. See how I added just a tiny hint of color? Now I'm going to use our lip oil. This thing is incredible. Not only is it a darn cute color, it's the most luxurious thing I've ever put on my lips. It feels so good. This is definitely one I take with me anywhere I go because it has a slight color, so if any color is rubbed off, it's got a slight color all on its own. But putting it on top of that stick is such a cute pink color. Just light, simple, cute. Okay, now let's do my eyelashes. Love this. It's my most favorite mascara in the whole entire world. Can't tell you how many times I get complimented on it. They're like, oh, your eyelashes are blue. I love that. I'm like, it's the coolest. Okay, I'm just going to put a slight little mascara on. Because I want to keep it minimal. Okay. And now that I told you I can use this color stick on my eyes, I want to. It's going to be so fun. Just put a little bit on my finger. Right in the middle here. Oh, pretty cute pink. A little bit on the lid. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now I'm going to use my angle to blend it in. Just that subtle bit of pink. So cute. All right, the minimalist look of your dreams. Here we go, dressing in truth. We got the goods. Want you to use it, play with it, have so much fun. Oh, makeup is the best. Thanks for being a part of our community.